It's Friday, July 14th. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Third day of the crawl for Central Carolina. And we've got Saturday and Sunday, 12 to 4, so don't miss that. And I was deciding what I was going to talk about tonight, and I talked about this earlier in picture only. This is the Rota Sleeveless top. Sandy did a knit along with this. It had a long sleeve version, which she did, and a short sleeve version. But Ashley, one of my talented clients, made the Rota Sleeveless top and wore it in, and she was nice enough to loan it to us. See how cute this is. Oh my gosh. She wore it with a cute little t-shirt underneath. You could wear it with a sundress underneath or whatever. It is so cute, simple, quick. It has a nice split on the side with a little cable detail, and the back is like that. It is just the cutest, simplest little summer vest. So cute. It's done in coastal cotton, which is worsted weight. And I have a gazillion colors. So I just am gonna show you my gazillion colors. The coastal cotton is 100% cotton. It's washable. It's 185 yards, and it is $10 a skein. Check out these colors. This is like a peachy salmon. Then there's coral. I mean, these would all be adorable in that t-shirt. There's this celadon, like celery green. Then there's a nice muted taupey ecru, and that's not even ecru, it's like toasty. Then I have purple and lavender, of course. I have pink and pink, of course. I have peach and orange, of course. Then I have lime green and the army green, the olive, which is what she did hers in. I have kind of a Christmas green, emerald green, a blue green, and a turquoise. I have yellow and gold. Love all these colors. I have a beautiful blue, and then I have this butter color and white. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19 colors. I actually have a 20th color burgundy, but I didn't bring it. It looked a little wintry, but then again, burgundy could be cool. All right, so that's my thought. She knit the small. It took 3 to 4 skeins. And there's lots of sizing. So cute. I love that little split on the side. Anyway, 4 skeins, $40, summer top. How could you go wrong? Alrighty, we're here tomorrow and we're here on Sunday. And don't forget, Fiberside Crawl on Sunday. We will be on around 3:30, I think. So go to www.bellafilati.com, go to Fiberside Crawl, buy your $10 ticket, and you will have your online access for all of the crawls all the way through August. All right, I think that's it. Looking forward to a busy day tomorrow and Sunday. All right, see you tomorrow.